I will tell you this for free. Most of you are not scared of creating content. The truth is that you don't know what to start with or how to start. I'm here to give you 5 amazing secret apps that can help your YouTube journey to become a successful one. These 5 apps, you need them on your phone as a small YouTuber. And even if you're already on YouTube and you don't know about it, it is time to explore them. Because I don't want this video to take much of our time. Let's dive in. Number one on my list is YouTube Studio. I might sound familiar to you, but to some people, they don't understand what I mean. Now, if you don't understand what I mean that the first thing you download after you've downloaded your YouTube is a YouTube Studio. Let me put it this way. YouTube Studio is the home for creators. It's like you're behind the scene. If you're doing well, you will know. If you're doing so bad, you will know. Because on your YouTube Studio, you're going to see your analytics, your monetization, your viewers, comments, how you're doing. If you're not growing, you will know. Your downfall and uprising is on your YouTube Studio. Now tell me why you think you don't need that. Because how would you know if you're earning? How would you know if you're actually growing on this channel if you don't have YouTube Studio? Now you see reasons with me why you need a YouTube Studio, because there you can see everything you need to see. That being said, I want you to know YouTube Studio is a multifunctional platform, if I have to put it that way. It does a lot of things for you. A lot of things. In fact, YouTube Studio is the Ubunge. Take it like that. Now, the second one on my list is ChatGPT. Let me tell you something. On this channel, I'm not here to hide information. Everything I know, I'm going to dish out of experience. I'm not an expert. Now, a lot of content creators, a lot of YouTubers are exploring ChatGPT a lot. And I must say, you are darling if you've not started exploring that app. You don't even need to download the app. All you just need to do is type ChatGPT on your browser, your Chrome, and give it everything you want, and it comes out with a perfect script for you. Now, here's the thing. Some of us make the mistake of telling ChatGPT what we want. It gives us, and you bring it verbatim to us. No. Here is where your creativity comes in. You tell ChatGPT what you want. ChatGPT gives you what you asked. You twist it a little because ChatGPT is not a human being. So, but you know your audience are human beings. So you need to tweak it a little to make it relatable to your audience. You know your audience. Now, ChatGPT is not so hard to use. Tell ChatGPT, for instance, you are a content creator who is into lifestyle. Oh, ChatGPT, I'm a content creator who is into lifestyle. I want to talk about how my day went. Give me a nice script. See what and what I did today. You'll be amazed at the amazing story ChatGPT will come out for you. Now, let me tell you, ChatGPT does not only come out with stories for you, it gives you description ideas, it gives you title ideas, it gives you thumbnail ideas, name it. In fact, if you want to plan your content for months or weeks, tell ChatGPT, I am a content creator or a YouTuber. I do makeup tutorials. Please give me a 1 week timetable schedule of how I can do content, dish out content on YouTube. You will be amazed at how ChatGPT is going to give it to you with time that you used to post it. That's how wonderful ChatGPT is. But a lot of content creators won't tell you that. But two on my list is Canva. When you come across people's video, in fact, what makes people to actually click on your video, one of the reasons is how attractive your your thumbnail is. If you have a very poor thumbnail, trust me, people will just swipe off your video. But if you have an amazing thumbnail, people will want to definitely click and know what you're talking about. And how do you get amazing thumbnails? From Canva. Yes, Canva has this pro version and free version, but trust me, even the free version can do a whole lot for you. Now, if you're into vlogs, you're into tutorials, all you need to do is not so difficult to use. All you need to do is type thumbnails for makeup artists, thumbnails for tutorial, YouTube thumbnails, and they're going to bring a whole lot for you, and you're going to have to pick from. And that's our number 3. Canva is very important. Aside from giving you thumbnails, Canva can give you video clips. Sometimes when you watch people's video, you see some video clips, you see some picture clips. Those things, elements, graphics, they can all be gotten from Canva for free. Some of them are free. Yes. And that's number 3. And number 4 on my list is the Oga Bata Bata. Do you organ and when I mean when I say that, I mean CapCut. CapCut. In fact, CapCut is doing a lot of good for us, even though that right now they are trying to show us plenty shady. They're adding so many things to their pro version, thereby making it so expensive for some upcoming content creators like us to afford. But we still have free versions though, and even in that their paid version, there is how we still used to do it. I've said that in one of my previous videos, so you can go check that out. But if you want me to also put you through, I can also teach you with one of my tutorials. Just let me know in the comment section. But CapCut is a game changer, and I must say it has a lot of features that blows mind: animation, voices, characters, writing, name it. App that you as a YouTuber or small YouTuber need to have. We have a lot of other editing apps like InShot, KineMaster, but CapCut is a game changer. Forget it. If you need to edit like a pro, you need your editing game to be cinematic, all sorts. Whether you're editing for YouTube, for TikTok, for Instagram, Canva I don't know why I keep mentioning Canva. CapCut can do a lot of that. I guess I'm so in love with Canva, but I hope you understand what I mean. And that's our number 4. Now on our number 5, which is the final one, is VidIQ. VidIQ is an app whereby when you open it, they're going to actually ask you to link it with your YouTube. Now, don't be scared. The reason they do that is to understand what you do on your channel. Now, when you understand what you do on your channel, they help you to channel the kind of content you should do. They give you content ideas. That's content that are on your niche that people are eagerly searching for, steadily they want to watch. VidIQ gives you that idea. They gives you thumbnail idea. They gives you description idea. They give you ideas that when you use on your thumbnail or your description, people will easily search you, people will easily watch your videos. Now tell me why you think you don't need such app. Now I have to tell you that it's being paid for, but there are free versions. At the moment where you are a small YouTuber, I wouldn't advise you to go and start paying for VidQI paid version. Use the free version. It can still serve and do a lot for you. Do you know the amazing thing about this VidIQ? When you get to 1,000, in fact, let me start from small. When you get to 200 subscribers, they celebrate you. When you get to 500 subscribers, they celebrate you. When you get to certain amount of views, they always celebrate you. Like, it gives you this feeling. I'm sure you've come across some people's video where they will be like, they'll send a screenshot of, oh, them being celebrated. Yes, that is VidIQ, and it's free, so you can also have it. Like I said, we have the paid version, but please start with the free version. Now, these are the 5 secret apps that I really wanted to dish out to small YouTubers or upcoming YouTubers or those who are aspiring to open a YouTube channel. Now, if you don't have any of this on your phone, make out space from that your phone and download these 5 important apps. You will definitely need them so you can succeed in this YouTube journey. Let me tell you something. YouTube is not easy. It's not easy, but just maybe with these apps, things are going to be somehow easy for you. Okay, because tell me, with ChatGPT that gives you idea, with Canva that helps you to edit thumbnails, with YouTube Studio that helps you to monitor what you do, and all of that, I'm sure it's going to come out somehow successful. Not somehow successful, we are here to be successful. It's going to come out successful, but you have to work for it. Now I have come to the end of this tutorial, and I hope you learned something. Please let me know if there's something you need me to explain further. Leave a comment in the comment section, like and share this video. My name is Juliet Uchindu, and I will see you in my next tutorial. Bye.